Hi guys, video number 2. After the big storm in St. Francis Bay last night. Radical. Just showing a huge hole at Bruce's Landing. And now I'm going to show you Maine. This is what happens, man. Alright, let's go check it out. Deliberately keeping the camera down in suspense, because then we go, whoops, where's the road gone? Jeez. That is radical. Now that could happen anywhere around here right now. So, tell you what, word to the wise people, there's a big storm going on, a little bit of flooding. Don't go to be driving these coastal roads. Right. Cheers. Right.